How to change the sensor set point. Press button number 2, set points. Press enter. Scroll down to change parameters. Press enter. Press enter to highlight the password. Password is 4444. Press enter. Scroll down to humidity set point. Press enter. It will highlight the set point and change it to the desired set point. For instance, I'm going to change it to 45%. I will press button number 4, button number 5, enter. Now to get out, if I simply press escape, I can get out back to the relative humidity set point. As you can see, the relative humidity is reading 38.6, the set point is 45, and the operating percent is 100. In this video, we're going to go over how to change the high limit sensor set point. Press button number 2, set points, press enter, scroll down to change parameters, press enter, enter password, press enter, it will highlight the password 4444, enter, scroll down to high limit sensor set point, it's set to 85, change it to the desired set point. In this case, I'm going to set it to 80. So button number 8, button number 10, enter. If I press escape, I have now entered the high limit sensor set point. Water quality sensor, if I press button number 5, it will bring up the water quality. If I want to change any of the settings for the water quality, I will simply go to set points, press enter, scroll down to change parameters, press enter, enter the password 4444, enter, and scroll down. Dirty water first should be set to 3. Dirty water second should be set to 10. First dirty water alarm should be set to yes. Second dirty water alarm should be set to yes. And shut down second alarm yes. So what this means is once it hits the second alarm, it will turn off the system so that way you don't contaminate your ductwork or anything with dirty water. Button number 7, operating hours, will tell you the length of time the PLC has been turned on. Button number 8 is manual drain. So if you have purchased auto drains for your units, you can use this manual drain. So if you're going to service the units, this is a good way to flush the water and make sure there is no water in the system when servicing the unit. To do that, press manual drain, press enter, it will highlight the stop. Use the up or down arrow, it will change it to start. Then press enter again, and then it will engage the manual drain sequence. Button number 9 is manual humidifier operation. This button will turn the system on to operate at 50% for 10 minutes. To do this, press button number 9, press enter, it will highlight the stop. Use the up or down arrow to change it to start. Press enter. Now the system will be on at 50% for 10 minutes. Take note that if the system is empty with no water in the humidifiers, it might take a minute for the units to fill up with water. Button number 10 is view alarms. To access this menu, press button number 10, view alarms, and then use the arrow keys up or down to display the alarms. It will date and timestamp the alarm. Now, if you want to clear the alarm, hit acknowledge alarms and then enter. Now, if this is a continuing alarm, it will continue to pop up regardless of how many times you try to clear the alarm until it's taken care of.